Hello, Creative Crafty Lovely. If you're a new subscriber or returning subscriber, I am so delighted that you are here. Today's video is a little bit different. I want to share some recent digital collections that I purchased, and these collections are just beautiful. And not only are they beautiful, but the designer just has so much in these collections. So I went ahead and I printed them up on my printer, and so I'm going to do a really quick run through, and these are double-sided so that you can see all of them on here. And as you can see from this, these are like some stitches, and so this is a sewing collection. So those are just the background papers, okay? And there is 34. Can you believe that? 34. So that is a lot that you get in there. And here are some images that you can fussy cut, or you can make stickers out of them. And the designer is Amy J. Delightful, and she created this in 2018. And I purchased this off of Etsy, and I have had my eye on this collection for some time. And keeping within the sewing theme, at this right here, she created this, and it looks like the top of a pattern. And then she has these right here that you can cut up and use them as tags, and you can even put buttons on here, whether they're buttons that are paper or actual buttons. But these are really great to use for even ATC cards. And then there is another piece right here, and this one's a little bit busier, so as you can see, this one has a lot more detail, but I wanted to point something out that was very unique to this collection, and I really enjoyed how she did this. So as you can see, these two images are very similar as far as the ladies right here and their skin tone. And I want to show you, so this is the special thing that she did. If you turn this over, the skin tone of the ladies right here is lighter. So I thought that was really cool. And here they are again. This is the exact same thing except for again the skin tone. And if I turn this around again, the exact same thing as you can see, but the skin tone is different. And then she has this set of ladies, and look at all of these beautiful dresses that they are wearing. And again, what she did is she put the ladies in the different skin tones. So this is the first collection, and as you can see, this collection is just so amazing, and she has so many papers for this collection. And so let me go ahead and show you the next collection that I purchased from her. So this again has 34 background pages. So I'm just blown away at how many there are. And I did do them double-sided again. So there's this one. And then right here, as you can see, this is kind of like a 40s vibe and a diner. And let me go ahead and show you some of the images that are in here that you can fussy cut. So there are these ladies right here in all of the different patterns that she has for the background papers. She has all of this ephemera pieces, or that if you want, you can turn them into a sticker collection. And right here, she does have the date that she did it. And this is a 2017 paper collection. Here she has some labels and some tags. Here are some more ephemera pieces, and I love that postcard right there and the fabric receipt. So this one you can actually mix with the other collection that I just showed you. And here is some more ephemera pieces that you can use. And here are some tabs, and these tabs are really pretty, and I like how you can go ahead and just put in here what your label. And then there is this right here that just coordinates so beautiful, and I just love this. This is, like I said, so gorgeous. And here is the last piece, and like I said, you can turn these into ATC cards, use them for journaling. You can use this collection for so many things. If you are interested in these collections or anything that she has over on her Etsy account, I will go ahead and list her links down in the description below, and I do have a discount towards her store. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you find happy little moments throughout your day. Bye.